Hi, it's me again. So today, isi-share ko sa inyo yung gamit ng baking soda. So ito ay hindi applicable sa may mga sensitive skin. So ito ang gagamitin ko, Deep Clean Facial Cleanser. At gagamit tayo ng baking soda. Okay, so try natin, okay? So maglalagay lang ako ng ito yung aking facial cleanser. Then hahaluan natin siya ng, ayan. So, bago ko to scrub, kailangan basa muna yung aking face. So, babasahin ko muna. And wet na yung aking skin. Gagawa tayo ng paste. Okay? Yan. Use on the face. So, ito ay applicable lang sa mga, hindi to applicable sa mga sensitive skin. You can do this once or twice a week. Okay? Then, after this, pag nakahilamos na kayo, apply nyo agad yung 1 ice cube or your moisturizer, okay? Para hindi magda-dry. Kasi ang tendency nito. Pang wet, you can put your moisturizer, okay? So, that's it. You can incorporate baking soda once or twice a week, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Hi, it's me again. So today I'm going to share with you my DIY skin brightening using coconut oil. So ito yung aking coconut oil, pure 100% pure coconut oil and lemon or calamansi kung anumang meron kayo dyan. Pwede. Coconut oil is for skin lightening, okay? And the lemon is for the skin whitening. So, let's do the mixture. Okay. So, yan. So, maglalagay lang ako ng few drops. Kung gaano kadami ang gusto nyo, pwede 1 teaspoon. Ayan. And then, lemon. Few drops only. Ayan, few drops. Mix the coconut oil to the lemon because coconut oil neutralizes the acidic effect of the lemon. Coconut oil has vitamin E and fatty acid. So, natapos na siyang mix. Okay, use a cotton balls. Make it sure ang face is malinis, ha. So, you can do it twice a week. Then, you can leave this one for 15 minutes. Make it sure na malinis ang ating face, okay? Kung ano man yung leftover, pwede nating iwanan sa fridge. Then, you can use again on the next day. Okay, sana may natutunan kayo. If you like the video, please like, share, and comment. So, this is good, huh? You can do it. Good morning. So, today I'm going to share with you kung anong ginagamit ko sa neck na ginagamit ko din sa aking face. Okay, so yung yesterday na itinuro ko sa inyo about using the coconut oil and lemon, gagamitin natin din yon sa ating neck. And that can be last for 30 minutes and you can do it every day, okay? So, ito yung naka-ready na coconut oil and lemon. Or kalamansi, diba? Okay. So, pwede nyo gamitin. Make it sure na malinis na rin yung ating neck. Okay. So, just rub. Yan. Then, you can leave this for 30 minutes. And you can do this every day. Yan. Then, make it sure na sa araw, lalagyan nyo siya ng moisturizer. So, may nagtanong kanina kung anong ginagamit ko ang moisturizer. That is Aveeno. Then, after that one, after applying this one, you can incorporate some exercises or massage. Okay, yung massage natin is always like this. Okay? Pwede nyo rin ilagay sa kilikili nyo. So, hindi lang sa neck, sa face. You can put also on your armpit para naman pumutian yung armpit. Ayan. Then, makikita nyo in within. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Taran! It's me again. So, tuturuan ko kayo paano gumawa ng DIY scrub. So, kailangan natin ng coconut oil and gagamit ako ng palm sugar. Ito yung palm sugar. So, pwede kayo gumamit ng white sugar or yung ascobado. So, we're going to mix kung gaano kadami. Ayan, coconut oil. Pure coconut oil. Ayan, tumigas na yata. Then, gagamitan ko siya ng palm sugar. Ayan. Then, you're going to mix, okay? So, kapag nag-absorb na yung dalawa, nag-mix na together, you can start. Eto na siya. Ayan. Malinis na yung face ko, so pwede ko na siyang ilagay. Malinis rin yung aking kamay. Okay, ayan na siya. So, just rub it gently. Avoid under eye ha, kasi very sensitive yun. So, just rub it gently kasi mararamdaman nyo naman na magaspang siya, diba? So, you can use this all over your body. Kapag magaspang yung paa nyo, yung mga kamay nyo, you can use this and leave it for 30 minutes o gaano pa siya katagal, kahit 1 hour. Ayan. You can use on your neck also. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Super smooth na siya. Ayan. So, pwede itong gamitin. Thank you. Hi, it's me again. So, today I'm going to share with you a homemade lip scrub recipe. So, ang ingredients natin ay, ang exfoliating agent na gagamitin natin ay yung brown sugar or palm sugar. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng white sugar, sea salt, or coffee ground. So, ang ating gagamitin naman na natural oil ay yung coconut oil. So, nagmix na siya. So, kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng scent or amoy, so lalagyan natin siya ng vanilla. Okay? Isang patak lang. And remember, ang lip scrub ay gagamitin natin siya ng, ayun, i-apply lang natin siya once or twice a week to remove the dead skin cells. Okay? Kailangan natin yung oil para sa madaling spread. Bakit kailangan pa rin natin yung oil? To make the lips hydrated. Okay, so maglalagay lang ako ng konti. Okay, that's it. Ayan, ang tamis. Pwede nyo kainin. Ayan. Then you can leave for 30 seconds. Then makikita nyo pag tinanggal nyo na siya, feels smooth and hydrated. Okay. Smells so good and sweet. That's it. Thank you for watching.